First is Kamal's vegetable chopper. You can easily chop any vegetables in it. It will be chopped with the help of hand. Press from above by hand. You can cut the tomato stem if you want. You can absolutely grind this tomato if you want. Potatoes, tomatoes and spinach are all vegetables you can easily chop. It can be easily washed and placed in a rack. The second chopper is also amazing. It runs with the help of electricity. It does not have to be applied by hand. Everything is easily chopped in this machine. If there is no electricity in the house, then the one with the hand is also good. Everyone has their own specialty. You can also make juice in this chopper. If you want to filter this juice, you have been told about the gadget in another video. You can also take it with you, so that it is easy to filter, and it is fun to drink. I have only put 1 or 2 in front of you. You can put as much as you want. This is also amazing. Friends, today I will tell you amazing things. You must be tired of chopping vegetables. I have brought food chopper for you to chop vegetables. That makes your life easier. The second gadget is the perfect juice that you have filtered. You can filter it easily. Thirdly, while making the perfect eggs, they will break while pouring it on you. By using this gadget, you can easily put the egg on the tray. Subscribe to my channel to see more awesome gadgets. You can also chop all kinds of fruits or vegetables in this, and can grind flours. You can also make fruit juice. Now look at Kamal's chopper. I am not using it because you must have guessed how to use it. It will be chopped from above and chopped from below. This is also very wonderful. You will find every chopper grown. Everyone will have their own characteristics. This chopper is also amazing. It has all the functions. If you cut it thinly, apply it thinly. If you want to cut it thick, use a thick one and cut it. But it will also have to be pressed with the help of hand. Now this is also a great chopper. In this way, all the vegetables can be put together and chopped. He has to pull the rope and rotate it with the help of hand. It's getting G-chop. You can chop as you want. This chopper is also the most perfect. It has very sharp blades and buttons are attached from the top of the lid, which you can press and chop vegetables. It is also very durable. Its great feature is that you can also chop minced meat in it. Look at the amazingness. Chop it with the help of one hand. The second keema can also be made in it. See how easily everything is prepared quickly. perfect chopper of favor. It also has 2 types of sharp knives in which you can chop all kinds of vegetables. It will run on G power and has 2 buttons on the lid, which you will chop by pressing the button once. Then, if you close the button, the chopping will stop. You will get a plastic spoon from which you can easily remove it.